Assistant Professor, Department of BSc Information Technology. In my lecture video, I am going to explain about cybersecurity techniques and how to protect from the cybersecurity issues. Basically, cybersecurity has a lot of issues over. We are using online transactions. It may be in the form of various attacks. We already know the attacks, that is phishing attack, forming and then we can have virus under the virus we have different types of harmful viruses, maybe a code cause malware functions. By this way the attackers can attack the end users or target users. Based on this we can have different types. The attackers can force about an individual user. For example, the particular user in a particular concern, they have admin level files, so the attackers can try to attack their files. This is the motive of individual attacks. And about the organization, if the attacker focusing for threatening to organization files or organization data, this attack can happen based on the money motive mind. And then social media attacks, that is the particular attacks can be happen over a social media platform. Like if a person who wants to revenge personally, they can spread intimidate messages over the social media platforms, so it will affect the physiological effects of the particular individuals. So this kind of attacks can be recently very popular inside the cybersecurity. To avoid this, the user has follow several types of precautions while we are using a cyberspaces. So it's a resource. Cyberspace is nothing but it is a resource for transmitting or sending a data. While we are doing such a things over the resource, we have to do carefully. We have to handle the carefully because it provides a lot of issues. The attackers can misuse of files or data that may be happen over the sites. By basically to avoid this, we can give some awareness about the cybersecurity and cybercrime to the targeted users, and then we can use various updated softwares that may be in applications or antivirus codes in order to protect our files in a machine. And then we can otherwise we can give authorized mechanisms, strengthening password, and then available by using the facility of cookies, caches, etc. But we are doing like this, then we can reduce the cybercrime attack from the attackers, intruders. Not only like this, we can have different schemes. If we are using a public network, better we can avoid using the public network. Instead of we can use some VPN, virtual private network. In that network, we can have a facility called mask the IP address. While we are transmitting a file, the IP address can be masked and sent over the network, so the particular attacker cannot know about the IP address. They could not track the files while we are transmitting from source to destination. As well as we can segment the network partitions. By doing like the segmentation, the routers and the various devices can be used to connect the segmentation part of the network. That is nothing but routers, firewalls, etc. Firewall is basically a security purpose we are using. It allows the packets forwarding and receiving the packets based on the security checking mechanisms only. So we can use the firewall security. After that, we can have different types of methods we have to follow in order to protect the cybercrime issues. But basically, the cybercrime can be happened over the resource called the internet. So we can use the internet very safely because phishing attack is very recent. It is a recent popular attack by sending a fake emails and unsolicited mails contains a virus and some other software. So it helps the attackers to spoil the data or to corrupt the data. They will another method of this one is they will encrypt the passwords or some other important files and they will log in a money for decryption purpose. At that time we will lose the money. So we can do the resources properly, handle the resources properly. By doing this, the cyber attacks can be stopped by the at the maximum level. Thank you.